To access our Digital Signage Cloud software, go to quastmedia.com and click the Login button on the top of the screen. Enter your username and password and click Login. You'll notice we have 4 buttons on the left side. The first one is the User menu. Right now, we just have the super users set up, which is simply the original user that the account was set up with. You can actually add as many users as you want. Simply click the plus icon and fill in the information. You can then set restrictions and add permissions to customize how they can use the software. Permissions include the ability to create, manage, or delete other users, content, templates, playlists, and devices. We also have our media library. Click the media icon to access your dashboard. To create a new folder, click Add and select New Folder. Or simply right-click anywhere on the dashboard and select the first option. You can give your new folder a name. Once your new folder is created, double-click on it. To add content, you can simply drag and drop files into this window, or you can click on the Upload Files button. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. You can upload different file types such as videos, photos, or PowerPoints, and when the upload is complete, the file will automatically be converted to a format compatible with the digital signage player, and the new compressed file will be saved onto your storage space. Now that we've imported some media, we're ready to create a playlist. Select the Playlist tab and click on the plus icon. Give your playlist a name and click OK. In the media library, go to the folder with the file and simply drag the file into the content column to add it to the playlist. We can now click on the content to adjust its settings. You have the option to have audio on or off, and you can select when you want the content to be played. You can have the content always play, or you can set a specific schedule. Here you can set a start and end date. This is helpful if you're advertising an event. You also have the option to have the content remain in the playlist after it expires or gets removed. Allowing content to stay in the playlist allows you to reactivate it at any time. You can also select a start and end time, and which days of the week you want the content to play. Add as much content to a playlist as you want by repeating these steps. To preview the playlist, click on the play button at the top of the content column. Here's the first ad we put in. Let's skip to the next ad using the right arrow. Okay, everything looks good. Click the X to exit the preview. Make sure you save the playlist by clicking the check mark. Now we can determine where we want our playlist to be seen. Click on the Devices tab. Here we have groups, which often contain multiple players related to a certain location. You can add as many groups as you want. Just click the plus icon. Give the new group a name and select which playlist you want seen on the devices in this group. There's no devices in this group yet, so you'll click the plus icon, type in the name of the device, and the activation code, which will be displayed when you first connect your player. Let's take a look at location 1, which already has 2 players connected to it. By default, this group is playing General Playlist 2. We can change that by clicking this drop-down and selecting our new playlist. This player is shown in yellow, indicating it will receive a new update. Once it receives the update, the player will be shown in green, indicating it is online with the new update. If you want a device to play a different playlist than the rest of the group, you just click on the device and change the default playlist to the one you want and click Save. Now, this device will show a different playlist than the rest of the devices in that group. When you're finished with all your changes, you can log out in the upper right-hand corner. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoy our Digital Signage Cloud software. If you have any questions, contact us at support@quastmedia.com.